Keeping your eyes on the road doesn't always prevent the occasional fender bender. But capturing with Nexar could save you loads of trouble. Nexar dash cams automatically record your drives in up to crisp 4K resolution. And if an accident happens, Nexar instantly sends you the video proof you need, backs up the footage on your free Nexar cloud, and creates a report that you can send to your insurance provider. In case of an accident, Nexar can notify your emergency contacts, letting them see what happened and what's going on in real time. You can also create your own clip and share it with friends. Even when you're away from your car, Nexar keeps an eye out for you. With live parking mode that sends real-time alerts if something isn't right. And if you forgot where you parked, just ask.
Hey Siri, where did I park?
You parked right in front of you.
Every road can get a little crazy sometimes. Get your Nexar dash cam today. You'll never know Excuse me, trying to make a commercial here. Get your Nexar now at getnexar.com.